Hey, welcome to Deepaks Kitchen. We're starting a new series on cooking basics and secret hacks.
So today we're diving into the Hing Mystery. Yep, that's Asafoetida. Let's figure this out.
So what's the real difference between compounded Hing and the non-compounded kind? Let's break it down.
Hing is an absolute staple in Indian cooking. It adds this really unique, powerful flavor.
So compounded Hing, that's the pure resin blended with stuff like edible gum to make it milder. And why do that? Well, it just tones down that intensity, making it easier for everyday cooking.
Now, non-compounded Hing, that's the pure resin, straight from the ferula plant, minimal processing.
So this stuff keeps that raw, potent essence. You get that really intense, original flavor.
All right, let's compare them side by side. We're talking purity, flavor, and how they're processed.
Purity is a big one. Non-compounded is 100% pure resin. Compounded, not so much because of additives.
And the flavor? Totally different. Compounded is milder, while non-compounded is super pungent.
But Hing is way more than just flavor. It's also known for some powerful health benefits. Yeah, it's a great digestive aid, it's anti-inflammatory, and can even help ease headaches.
And the purity of non-compounded Hing is really key to unlocking all those health benefits.
Using compounded Hing is super easy. Just throw a pinch right into hot oil or ghee.
For non-compounded though, you need way less. Dissolve a tiny bit in water first.
So it really comes down to what you want, a mild, everyday flavor or maximum purity.
You know, this quote says it all. It's about purity, health, and honoring tradition.
Kinda makes you wonder, right? Which ingredients in your own pantry are truly pure?
And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching Deepaks Kitchen.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe for more cooking basics and secret hacks. See you next time.